got a green light on the field. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, they dive on in here for this all-time period. Keep in mind, during autonomous, these robots do get extra points for the things that they are able to accomplish. As you see, 40-87 here for the Red Alliance Blue Voltage, picking up some of that coral and then delivering it into the trough here for that Red Alliance. Blue going up high for level 4 as we get ready for Teleop. Keep in mind, once again, in that autonomous period, each one of the corals scored on the reef can get them at least, well, for one, 3 points if they're able to leave the starting line. 3 points for being able to get into level 1, 4 for level 2, and then it jumps up significantly to 6 and 7 points for that level 3 and level 4 on that reef. And as you see, speaking of level 4, 97-17 over here for the Blue Alliance. That is Poltronics putting us some of that coral up top as their teammate 70-94 Alpha Omega attempts to deliver the algae into what we call the processor, but it bounces out as 14-16 Web Robotics goes to get rid of that algae out the way. They seem to get stuck on it and is now propped up in the air. Hopefully they can recover, or this may flip it into the Blues' advantage as they have a small advantage as we get down to 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining. 40-13, Clockwork Mania looking to line up to remove some of that algae from the reef. As their teammates with the robot, looks like named Larry, moving quickly here at the coral station, loading that up to deliver that into the trough, and they do. Blue Alliance now just still working and taking advantage of having that robot still stuck on that algae. By extending their lead, one of the balls able to get to the processor for the Red Alliance, but for the Blue Alliance, but delivered up top into the net for the Red. 40 seconds remaining, still a close game. Blue still doing their thing, working right now to level 4 with that coral. Another algae put into the process and delivered up top. Now, speaking of Auton, they can also deliver the algae to the processor and also to the net for a score of 4 and 6 points during all time. Of course, it's different when it comes to this part right here in Teleop. And with that, in game time, 2 robots already at the barge attempting to ascend to the surface. 40-87 already grabbing onto a deep cage. Less than 10 seconds remaining. 2 robots apiece for these alliances at the barge, and it seems like everybody's attempting to elevate except for 40-13, and this will conclude qualification match number 36. Winner, the Blue Alliance. Winning with the score 101-71. They'll obtain 5 ranking points. Red Alliance receiving 2.